Hi everyone. Toastmaster Nan, I cannot see you.
Hello.
Please put on your video on. Toastmaster Amir, I request everyone to turn their video on so that we all can
Hi Rahul.
see each other. Yes. Hi. And I request everyone to mute themselves if you are having.
I also.
Hi, Toastmaster Sumit, how are you? I request Toastmaster Mandakini, Toastmaster Udit, Toastmaster Amir, Toastmaster Shweta, Toastmaster Sabjot, Toastmaster Sorbi, Toastmaster Gaurav to put their video on, and they can mute their devices so that Toastmaster Chetan, thank you.
How are you?
I am fantastic. Toastmaster
Hello
Lucky.
everyone.
Hi.
So many new faces.
Hi everyone. Good evening.
Hello,
Thank you.
hello Manvi, hello Navjot, hello Deven, Lakshya, Mohan, Aditya the author,
Hello.
Param the anchor, Shajita the winner. Sarabjot, hello Udit, hello Nayan, hello Gaurav,
Hello.
hello Sudhi, hello Parul, how are you?
Hi.
Hello
everyone.
Hello. So we all have gathered here and we have a good news. In this time when the world is suffering and we all are in fear and panic, South Delhi Toastmasters bring something for you.
Hello everyone. Hi Manvi, long time. I was.
Hi Amir.
Hi,
sir.
Amir.
So good to see you.
I'm equally excited.
Sorry, Rahul sir. I think I hijacked. You were saying something.
Hello everyone.
Please keep on. Hi Toastmaster Mansi, Toastmaster
Hi.
Prashant,
Hello Rahul.
hello, Toastmaster Kamal.
Shanvi,
We have a good news for you. Aren't you excited?
Yes.
Yeah, we are excited.
You don't look so. I need energy in your voice, in your expression. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes.
We are.
Yes, we are
Yes
excited.
Rahul.
Yes.
Very excited.
Fantastic.
Yes.
So, what could be the news? Any idea? Toastmaster Devan,
Hi Rahul.
what could be the news?
The news is like we are launching some book club.
Okay, go ahead. And Toastmaster Udit?
Yes Rahul. I am sure that you are also publishing a book which we all have to read.
Yeah.
You would be using this forum to publicize your next book. And
Yes. Very
love
close.
to read your next book.
Okay. Yes.
Want
So,
getting released.
people,
Someone is like writing on a chat. Have you find the vaccine for COVID-19? Is it a good news?
yes, we have. Join online Toastmasters meeting, the best vaccine we have. So, thank you everyone for joining us. Now we are going to start our good news. So, I will be sharing my screen and I request you to please mute yourself and start. I will be transporting you to the new world.
The goal was ambitious, public interest was high, experts were eager to contribute, and money was readily available.
The voice is not audible.
Was proud to be the first man to fly an airplane. Samuel Pierpont Langley was a senior officer in Smithsonian Institution. He was a maths professor and had worked at Harvard. His friend circle included people like Alexander Graham Bell and Andrew Carnegie. The government gave him $50,000 for his dream project. He got his dream team. His dream team purchased the finest material. The media went wherever they went. And the entire nation was waiting for Samuel Pierpont Langley to be the first man to fly an airplane. Few hundred miles away, the Wright brothers were also working on their flying machine. Their passion towards flying was so intense that it gathered the enthusiasm of a group of people in Dayton, Ohio to work along. They all gathered in a bicycle shop and started working on this.
Is it only me or no one can hear anything?
Rahul, can you restart the video एक बार?
Yeah.
Rahul, can you restart the video and see?
No voice.
Nobody can hear anything.
Rahul, can you restart the video once?
The goal was ambitious, public interest was high, experts were eager to contribute, and money was ready.
Rahul, voice वापस चली गई.
Yeah, can't listen to what I say.
I think it is about the network. It's not audible. Network at the place where Rahul is.
We are able to hear the other persons who will be speaking, except the
Yeah, video is not audible. Yeah.
video is not.
Rahul, just restart once again. Rahul, just restart once again. Rahul, just close the share screen and restart. Just share the screen once again. Just share the screen once again. Close the screen and just share the screen once again. It will happen. Sorry everyone for this technical glitch.
Samuel Pierpont. The goal was ambitious, public interest was high, experts were eager to contribute, and money was readily available. Samuel Pierpont Langley, in the early 1900s, was set out to be the first man to fly an airplane. Samuel Pierpont Langley was a senior officer in Smithsonian Institution. He was a maths professor and had worked at Harvard. His friend circle included people like Alexander Graham Bell and Andrew Carnegie. The government had given him a grant of $50,000 for his dream project. He got his dream team. His dream team purchased the finest material. The media went wherever they went. And the entire nation was waiting for Samuel Pierpont Langley to be the first man to fly an airplane. Few hundred miles away, the Wright brothers were also working on their flying machine. Their passion towards flying was so intense that it gathered the enthusiasm of a group of people in Dayton, Ohio to work along. They all gathered in a bicycle shop and started working on this. They had no venture, they had no government grant, and none of them had advanced degree. As a matter of fact, most of them did not even have a college degree, including the Wright brothers. On 17 December 1903, the first man did fly the plane, and it was the Wright brothers. I'm sure we all are curious to know how on earth was it possible that Wright brothers, who had no government grant, no funding, no advanced education, was able to do so. We all will meet at 8 p.m. tonight to discuss it further. I'm sure you are excited and curious to know what's there. So am I, and so are we. So let's meet at 8 p.m. tonight. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. This was our President Toastmaster Abu. I welcome you all for this amazing meeting where we are going to inaugurate a book club named Leaders Are Leaders Book Club. The answer to the story of Toastmaster Abu is that Wright brothers know their why. When you know the why of the story, you can know how and you can know what of your story. Wright brothers believe in themselves and we also believe in our own self. So here is the objective why we are launching a book club. This book club will provide a platform for all the Toastmasters and guests to share your experience, insights on reading a book together, which will be helping us becoming a better speaker, an effective communicator, and a leader. Now, I have told you the objective. Let me tell you why we are doing this. Helping people develop a reading habit is also a service to people. At Toastmaster, we learn communication, we learn how to service people while playing a leadership role. So in this tough situation where coronavirus has really disturbed the world, let's keep physically distant and stay socially close to each other. So this is the first time ever in District 41 that a club is launching a book club inside a Toastmaster club. So for the start, we want to start with something which will question, start with why. So our first book, which we consider to read together with all of you who are present here, that is Start With Why. And now I want to tell you why we are considering this book. I think the author can give you a better answer than me.
Hey everyone, another day in lockdown. Hair is getting a little out of control because, don't have to leave the house. So I have to read Start With Why again. I haven't read it in like 8 years because I'm going to update it to make a 10th anniversary edition. But I was thinking, this is a great opportunity for us to do something together, for all of us to do something together. So I'm going to start a little book club. Here are the requirements. You have to have at least one other person you're going to read the book with. This is not just about reading it alone. I want as many people as possible to form their own little book clubs that they can do virtually, obviously, or at home if you're at home with family. And we're going to read a section a week and then come together on YouTube live. And I'm happy to answer any and every question. Well, any question that that your book club may have for me about Start With Why. So I've posted all the dates below. We're going to do every single week for 6 weeks because there's 6 sections in the book at 3 p.m. Eastern time. And if you have questions after you guys meet, submit them to bookclub@simonsinek.com. And then I will go to YouTube Live. So I think it's youtube.com/SimonSinek. And I will take all the questions and answer them for 45 minutes or an hour every week. So pull together a book club, gives us all something to do, something to read together. I have to read it, so I figured I'd invite everybody to read Start With Why with me. I will see you at the first book club. Remember, it's something we have to do with somebody. That's the whole idea. It's not just about reading the book, it's reading the book with others. Take care of yourself, take care of others, and I'll see you real soon.
I request all the people to give me thumbs up if they have heard what Simon Sinek has to say. Please share the reaction on thumbs up on the video, or you can give the reaction. If maximum people have got it, we will move forward. Thank you so much. So, author Simon Sinek. Author Simon Sinek is a very famous author who has started his writer's journey from this book, Start With Why. He is a well-known author and the best-selling author for this book. And he also delivered a TED Talk on YouTube, which have crossed 1 million views on the same topic, Start With Why. He's the author of Leaders Who Eat Last. He's the author of he's the author of Infinite Mind Games and etc. and etc. So with this book club, we are providing you a platform to connect directly with the author, as you all have heard Simon Sinek. So now, with this approach, let me introduce and unveil the campaign from our book club. Rahul, can you please change the slide? South Delhi Toastmasters Club presents our Readers Book Club, an initiative to help members adapt a reading habit. Reading is really helpful for every one of us. I have myself realized it very late in life that I was not, when I don't read, I don't get on the nitty-gritties, because the God is in the detailing. So I know you guys have question, how are we going to lead this book club and what are the next steps? So the next step are: step 1, open a book club, which we have already done. Step 2 is Toastmaster and guests need to download book or use their hard copies for reading. Step 3 is to read the part 1, 5 pages of the book till 2nd April, 1 p.m. maximum, and share your questions, your experience or insight on sgtmofficial@gmail.com or WhatsApp on 95820 Step 4, that we will share your questions with Simon Sinek, and we hope he will address those questions on 3rd April or in the next coming 5 weeks when he will come live. Step 5 is the link for the YouTube live will be shared on the South Delhi Toastmaster Club social media handles and on respective WhatsApp groups. So these are the simple steps. People, don't worry about the details of contacting us or sending your questions. This all steps will be going to publish on our social media handles, and we will be connected throughout with you on WhatsApp.
मैसेज आया था, अपना WhatsApp देखो, आईडी पासवर्ड से दे चुका हूं सुबह ही. मैंने पेरेंट वाला लॉगिन तो चेक किया.
I request members to please mute themselves while I'm speaking. I request members to please mute themselves while I'm speaking. Thank you so much. So these are the dates when Simon will be on live on YouTube. The book Start With Why have 6 parts in it. For the part 1, Simon will going to answer your questions on April 3 Eastern Time. According to Indian time, it will be 12:30 a.m. midnight on a Friday. The part 2 he will answer on April 11. Part 3 he will answer on April 17. Part 4 he will answer on April 24. Part 5 he will answer on May 1. Part 6 he will answer on May 8. So I hope I am able to introduce you to the book club and the book, and why we will going to read it together, because together is better. So this is the open platform for all the members to please share your questions with me if you have any queries regarding the campaign or the book club.
Yes, Toastmaster Param, I have a question for you. I wanted to ask you, are we going to be reading this?
You are not audible. Can you please come close to the speaker?
Yes.
Close to the
Can
mic.
you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
So I wanted to ask you, will we be reading this book together, or we have to basically read it individually and then we actually send you across the questions?
So what we are going to do is, like, after this meeting, we have time till April 2nd, and we all going to read this book together. Like, for the till 5 pages of the part 1, we're going to read that together by our own self. You guys can share your experiences on my WhatsApp number or on SGTM Gmail ID. And when you share your questions and your experiences, what we are going to do is we are going to mail all those questions and your experiences regarding part 1 or anything which ever happened in your life. Like when you read a book, you feel like, oh, this resonates with me. So what we can do is we can send those questions, your review, to Simon Sinek on the mentioned email ID mentioned by Simon Sinek. And then we hope that Simon Sinek going to address us when he's going to go live. So in this way, we can read book together. And I know because of the lockdown, we can't meet each other. But yes, as I told you that
Thank you so much, Master Param. I just wanted to basically ask you something else. Actually, I was trying to ask you, are we going to be having reading sessions together, like as a group, like we do, like a Zoom meeting together where we have a reading session together where we all read together? That's what my question was.
So we can organize that also. But if people want to develop a habit, like they want to individually read, they can read. And if I get nomination from a lot of people that we need to organize a Zoom call for reading, we can organize that.
Param, sorry to interrupt you, but can I answer?
Yes.
So what we have planned till now is that what we mean by connecting with everyone is that you will be reading this book alone, but when it comes, you can discuss with everyone who is reading, and then together we are going to add your questions, and we will be sending the questions to the author who will be addressing us online on his YouTube channel. That is what we have planned. You will be reading it alone, but your questions and discussion can be taken together. That is what we have planned. But if the members consider this, we can also do it together, reading part.
Thank you so much, Rajita.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rajita. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Friends, you can ask me questions if you have any other queries regarding this.
Hi, this is Sumit. I have the question on similar lines. Though it is a very good initiative, I really loved it. Am I audible, by the way?
Yes, you are.
Okay. So the question is that can we do the reading sessions as well for the books? Let's say for like a person reads it and the rest of the quorum listens to it, and everybody gets a chance to read a chapter or maybe a couple of pages for 10-15 minutes. That would give more interest to people, one thing, and secondly, people would be more interested when they'll be in action in a group. That's what I think. So give it a thought.
I echo Sumit here. I think we should have a session together so that we can just tame a habit to read together.
I also agree on this.
Okay.
Agree.
So we love the response from the people. Toastmaster Rahul, do you want to say something on this?
Param, there is a message whether we are going to have a WhatsApp group for this book club.
We can have that. We can share our experiences. We can connect with each other on this. I can create a WhatsApp group on that.
कभी आपको अभी WhatsApp कर दे रहा हूँ. उसमें ये है कि उसमें एक फॉर्म भराना है. अगर फॉर्म भरने का चूंकि लाभ.
Yes, Rahul, you can say. Rahul, you can continue, Rahul.
You can ask questions from the guest or the.
Hi Rahul, Ankur this side. Am I audible?
Yes, Ankur, you are audible.
Hi Param, thank you so much for inviting me to this link. It's a great initiative, and I followed the presentation and I like the overall structure which you guys are planning. I also believe that there should be some 15 minutes dedicated for reading beforehand, and since it's a 6 weeks long exercise, then it would be great if we can all be reading it together so that everybody is on the same page. And since everybody has different pace of reading, so it will be great if we can do it together so that everybody is taken together forward in the 6 weeks journey. And thank you so much for this initiative once again.
Thank you, Ankur, for your questions and queries. And what we can do is, in a week, like I know everybody is free, but not everybody is free for reading. What we can do is, in a week, we can plan a Zoom meeting again, while everyone go and start reading, because we want to develop a individual habit of reading, like not as a group habit, but individual habit of reading. But yes, what we can do is, for your queries, for the experiences you have, for the insights you have, we can have a 1 hour long session on it. And if someone has any queries regarding a page or a paragraph in the book, we have a lot of authors in our club. Toastmaster Rahul is an author, Toastmaster Aditya is an author, and what I know, Toastmaster Mandakini is going to launch her book soon. So we can address your questions, and I will definitely get back to you on reading it together.
Great, that's nice. And my request to all the authors is, whosoever is there in the group, you name them. मुझको भी ये तरकीब सिखा दे यार जुलाई.
Sure, sir. Sure. So, any other questions, please?
Yes. Hello.
Param, which book is going to be?
Shubham Rustagi this side.
Start with
right. So, right. So, can you like share the soft copy of the book? The reason is that Amazon is not, delivering the books in the right. So, like in the hard copy. All right. So can you like just share the soft copy of the like the book in PDF format or in the like the format?
Okay, I can answer.
So that we can,
if someone is
read the same.
If someone is willing to read with me, I will share a screen with you. Like I have this book here. Can you see it?
Yes.
So, here we can read a book, and in this way we can read together, or can plan how we can read, and in this way we will be working together. We will have questions, and it will be fun.
So Toastmaster Rahul, just one request: can you please share the link as well?
Can it be shared? Can the book link be shared?
I think book when people will search book is available. The PDF of book is available online. You just need to Google it, I think. And rest, what we can do this. What Rahul have rightly suggested, because it's under a copyright and everything. We can't share the PDF with you of that book. What we can suggest you is, we can do this like Rahul can share the screen with the people, and people can read along with Rahul.
Hi.
The book is available online if you search.
Yeah, and also anyone can use 30-day free trial of Audible. If they want to listen to book or read book, they can have some website, and they get 30-day free subscription to few sites, and that can help also.
Hi, so how long do we expect this session to run for? Like you mentioned, 6 weeks?
So this will run till last date, I think, is 8th May. So okay. We're going to conduct a session on 7th May or something. We will let you know on through our social media and through the WhatsApp chat when is the next session, and what's our proceeding towards this initiative.
Okay, and this is all the meetings are going to be online via Zoom or other social media, correct?
Yes. Like
okay,
we can't go physically. Government will beat us.
Yes, and especially my border. So
yes. So any other questions, please?
You can share that screen of deadline once again, the time frame that was shown.
Sure. All the details regarding this campaign, which we have just communicated to you, will be on our social media handles. You can follow that. And I have given the WhatsApp number also, where you can, I will create a group for this initiative, and we can, like in the same group, we can communicate everything which we can cater to all the requirement which you have.
All right, thank you.
So here we ends the question answer session. Now I would like to call Toastmaster Shrejita, because she want to share something very special with all of us.
Thank you, Toastmaster Param. As he has already briefed us so brilliantly, so I not take much of your time. I'll just say that if you are a reader, awesome, this opportunity is for you. If you're not a reader, awesome, this opportunity will help you be a one. Just again, I want to bring to you the 3 steps which are there. Just 3 steps that will help us complete this campaign. First, step 1, we have already stepped on. Congratulations. You just have to become a member of this club. The club has already been formed. Second step is that you have to read this book, bring your questions. Second step was this. Third step is that you have the third step is your questions will be answered by the author on his YouTube channel. And if you're not able to attend that, he will be posting that video online on his YouTube channel. That's simple, just 3 steps. What you have to do is, please read this book. You can always reach out to us, and we will be there for any help you need. And thank you so much, each one of you, for being this part of this campaign. Thank you once again. Back to Toastmaster Param.
Thank you so much, Shrejita. You have just summed up everything what we can do for this initiative. And thank you so much. I really love everybody. Thank you for coming here. And I would especially thanks to entire EC team for supporting me as well as to putting up the campaign. Special thanks to Toastmaster Rahul for creating from PPT to poster to everything. He's been the ray of light for me. And for Toastmaster, I really want to thank Toastmaster Abu for creating that YouTube video and for motivating you all to come to this meeting. Thank you so much, everyone. We will keep you posted with the updated things on the club. Keep connected to our social media campaigns and through our WhatsApp group. I have already posted my number with the chat. Please ping me your number and the name of your club, and I will add you in the Leaders and Readers Book Club WhatsApp group. Thank you so much for coming here. So I would now like to call Toastmaster Rahul for the conclusion.
Hello. So was the good news was really good?
Yes.
Amazing.
I need energy. Was it
amazing?
Really
yes.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Yes. We all are going to read. Going to read and read. Stay together.
Yeah.
Maybe physically we are very far, but as Toastmaster Param said, virtually we can be together and read a paragraph, read a page daily. And when you read, you can lead, as told by Toastmaster Shrejita. Because leaders are readers.
Yes.
And if you are a reader, you can be a leader.
Yes.
Come together. When you read, you learn your own experience of enjoying it. And you have experience of the people who have walked this planet before you.
Yes.
Trust me, when you read, you become a better speaker, a better thinker, a better human. Every actor, every person who is successful, they read. Bill Gates, Mark, name any successful person, he is a reader. Start with this book, start with why. Share your details with Toastmaster Param, and we all will be connected, and new life will unfold. As they say, every obstacle has an opportunity. So this coronavirus has given us an opportunity to come together and start reading a book. Start now. Thank you.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Stay tuned to our social media channel for latest update on any initiative bring by South Delhi Toastmaster Club for the entire Toastmaster fraternity and our club members.
Param, can you?
Yes.
Param and Rahul.